Hi, I'm Immy. I've been driving since I was 11 and I'm going to tell you how you can too. I learned to drive for the Under 17 Car Club. It's a volunteer run club that aims to make young drivers safer on the road. We meet most Sundays at race circuits and airfields to drive our own cars. Since joining, I've driven loads of cars and vehicles, from this Clio to a double-decker bus. I've driven at over 100 miles per hour in a 400 horsepower GT car and learned to slide a car on the skid pad. Subscribe to see some of those videos when they're posted. Before all that, on your first day of car club you need to learn the basics and get graded. That means getting a grade badge so you can drive on the main circuit. Instead of the practice loop, you work your way up from grade 5 to grade 1. And if you're really good, up to grade X. I'm grade 3. On your first day you'll start in the practice loop. This is a small loop where you start by learning clutch control, pulling forwards and stopping until you have the hang of it, while keeping the car going in the right direction on the loop, using push-pull steering. It's tiring, so you have to take lots of breaks. Once you're able to control your speed in first gear, you can try changing into second. When it looks like you're doing well and feeling confident, an instructor gets in the car with you. The instructor takes you onto the main circuit with an instructor badge on the back to make sure everyone knows you're learning. They teach you the important things and make sure you're a safe driver. One of the first things you do is practice the emergency stop.
Stop!
This is really important as a learner, because your adult in the passenger seat is responsible for everything. If they say stop, you have to stop, and you can talk about why you stopped after. If the instructor is happy you're safe enough to continue, they will award the green grade 5 badge, and you can put that on the back of your car to show that you're allowed onto the main circuit. After that, it's time to practice. Every third time you come to car club, you get instruction, so the next 2 times you come will be practice with your associate. You'll practice steering without crossing your arms, checking your mirrors, shoulder checks and indication. Everything you need to be safe on the roads. You'll also get used to the different junctions like roundabouts, T-junctions and the manoeuvre areas. The yellow cones are an exit of a road section and mean you must give way. The black ones are for entering a road section. The green cones are used for the middle of roundabouts and for slaloms. It's going to be hard work practicing and you'll be really tired at the end of the day. You're better off doing an hour each week than 6 hours in one go once a month, so we come every week. If you want me to do a video of any of these manoeuvres, let me know in the comments. There's more to car club than driving though. First of all, you have to do hazard perception on the laptops. You also have to complete theory tests on the website to get up to the next grade. At the start of your instruction, your instructor often asks you questions about powder and cockpit checks. This includes the car's safety and preparing for your journey. Once you start driving, the instructor sits next to you and observes your technique. At the end of your instruction, the instructor talks about the journey and scores you on gears, braking, steering, signals, mechanical sympathy, overall car control, reverse parking, and emergency stops. As you get further up the grades, you have more opportunities. Competent grade 4s are sometimes allowed to drive the buses, and at grade 3 you can drive automatic cars. At grade 3 you can also do skid pan, which is driving cars on a slippery surface to help you learn to regain control. You also learn about first aid and what to do when someone needs medical attention. Motorway training is another thing you can do at grade 3, which is where you learn to overtake on a motorway. This is often held at Lynham because there's lots of space there. Sometimes there's also a fun skills test, which is a bit like auto solos, where you drive really fast around cones. When you're grade 2, you can do skills tests which include reversing into tight spaces and manoeuvring around cones. You can also do advanced driving at grade 2, which is driving around a racetrack fast. Thanks for watching. Bye.